Today on The Blind Pig, I'm going to show you how to make the Tommy's Margarita. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. The original margarita dates back to the 1940s and features tequila, fresh lime juice, and an orange liqueur. There are also tons of riffs on the classic, some of which we've made before on the channel. One version we haven't yet featured is the Tommy's Margarita. The drink was created by Julio Bermejo in the early 1990s at his family's San Francisco restaurant, Tommy's Mexican. Instead of using a sweet orange liqueur like triple sec or contro, the recipe uses agave nectar and calls for a 100% agave tequila, which is free of additives. This makes for a less sweet cocktail, which may be more enjoyable for those that find the typical margarita too sugary. The preparation of the Tommy's Margarita is exactly the same as the traditional margarita, shaken and served on the rocks in a salt-rimmed glass. Fresh lime juice is an absolute must in this one. The recipe for this one is super simple, but the quality of the ingredients are an absolute must. We start with a cocktail shaker already full of ice. We add to it a ½ ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. As you can see, I also already salted and filled my margarita glass with ice. You know how to salt a glass, don't need to show you that in a video. We're gonna use a ½ ounce of our agave syrup. As you probably know, or maybe don't already, agave is what tequila is actually made from. So we're gonna use the syrup that's made from. And then we're going to use 2 ounces of a Blanco Tequila. As I mentioned before, a good quality 100% agave, zero additive added tequila is a must for this one. We're going to use an Astral Blanco Tequila. It's a little more budget friendly, only about maybe $30 for a bottle. We're going to use 2 ounces of that. We'll go ahead and give that a vigorous shake over ice. Then we will strain this into our glass. I love these. I've had quite a few of these. I've really kind of gotten over the, especially if you go to a restaurant and they use that like lime syrup or that sweet and sour syrup. It's just kind of sickeningly sweet. I think this makes for a much more palatable, easy to drink cocktail. Cheers. Yep, absolutely fantastic. Again, use quality ingredients. Use quality ingredients all the time if you can. For this one especially, if you use like a Jose Cuervo or some sort of lesser tequila, there's so few ingredients in this, it's just not gonna shine. It's not gonna taste as good. So definitely, like I said, use a good quality tequila, use fresh lime juice, use your agave syrup. This drink, guys, super easy to make, super delicious. I think you're gonna love it. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below. We'll see you soon. Cheers.
I want to try. Now you can.
Talk, 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 talk.